Good day and welcome to Stock Electronics. We'll be showing you how all of the Sonoff smart home automation products work. Please like and subscribe to our channel for we will be posting more videos and tutorials. Today I will be showcasing the Sonoff Zigbee wireless switch. Within the package you will receive a booklet with all the additional information you need to set up your device, a piece of adhesive and the switch itself. Within the switch is a piece of paper separating the device and the battery. Keep in mind that if you do not remove the piece of paper, the device will not work. To mount the button is quite easy. All you have to do is place the adhesive on the surface you want it on, and then place the button on the adhesive. Before we can pair it, keep in mind that you require the eWeLink app, which you can download from Play Store or the Apple Store or any store. I'll now show you how to connect with your device. Before we get started, keep in mind that you require either a Zigbee bridge, the Zigbee Bridge Pro, or an iHost to connect to the button. Before we get started, please ensure that your bridge has been connected and you are currently on the screen of your Zigbee bridge. Then press Add. The bridge will now attempt to pick up the button. Now that the device has been found, you will see the switch icon on the bridge. In order to be able to use the switch, you are required to set it up within a scene. I will now show you how to set up scenes. First, press Scene. Then, Build Now. Then, there where it says If this triggers, press Add. Then Smart Device. Then select your switch. Now you can select how you press the switch, which will trigger the trigger. Now you can select what the trigger does. For example, we'll make it so it turns on or off a light. You can then name your switch, your scene. Now go to Auto, and there you will see your brand new scene. Every time you press the button, the light will either turn on or off. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials.